At ICsense, we design the invisible engines of innovation, custom microchips that power the future. Whether it's in medical devices, cars, factories, or everyday electronics, our chips make technology smarter, safer, and more efficient. We're proud to be part of the global TDK family, combining the flexibility of a dedicated design house with the strength of a worldwide technology leader. ICsense has one of Europe's largest IC design teams, giving us the scale and expertise to tackle the most complex challenges. Our specialty? Advanced analog, mixed signal, and high-voltage chips that meet the toughest requirements, from ultra-low power sensors to safety-critical automotive systems. Every chip we develop is exclusive. It's tailor-made for one customer and only supplied to that customer. From the first idea to full-scale production, we support our clients every step of the way. With our unique design environment and in-house mass production testing, we deliver high-complexity chips at low risk. ICsense. Custom chips, infinite possibilities.